Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn staircase calculation step by step using In this tutorial, we will learn the basic parts of a staircase and how to calculate each dimension correctly. Here is the Excel sheet that we will use for today's staircase calculation tutorial. The riser is the vertical height of one stair step. Normally, a comfortable riser size is between 6 inches and 7 inches. To calculate the number of risers, divide the total floor height by the riser height. The tread is the horizontal walking area of the staircase. Larger tread sizes provide more comfortable walking space. The number of treads is usually one less than the number of risers. The total horizontal length of the staircase. Next, we calculate the total horizontal length of the staircase. A comfortable staircase angle is normally between 30 and 40 degrees. This is one of the most common rules used in staircase design for comfortable walking. Following these simple steps, beginners can calculate staircase dimensions correctly and safely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.